wonke isikhathi emva. Lana nje ukuzodwa amagama kaJehova. Elokuqala, Jehovah Yahweh is Jehovah the Lord. Jehovah Elohim is God the Creator, mighty and strong. Jehovah El Shaddai is God Almighty. Jehovah Eloi is God mighty, strong and prominent. Jehovah Adonai is God who deals with Gentiles. Jehovah Jireh is Lord who provides. Jehovah Rapha is Lord who heals. Jehovah Nissi is the Lord our banner. Jehovah Mikadesh is the Lord who satisfies and makes holy. Jehovah Shalom is the Lord our peace. Jehovah Elohim is God, Lord of lords. Jehovah Tsidkenu is the Lord our righteousness. Jehovah Roi is the Lord our shepherd. Jehovah Shammah means God is there. Jehovah Sebaot is the Lord of hosts. Jehovah Elion is the Most High God. Jehovah Roi is the God of sea. Jehovah Olam is our everlasting God. Jehovah Gibor is mighty God.